property transfer to limited company and claim stamp duty incorporation relief. To claim stamp duty land tax incorporation relief, you must meet certain criteria. The property must be transferred to a company in exchange for shares, and the ownership proportion in the company must match the original ownership, especially for partnerships. This relief primarily applies to partnership and sole traders incorporating their businesses. Steps to claim stamp duty land tax incorporation relief. Number 1. Eligibility. Ensure the transfer involves property or land being transferred to a company and you receive shares in return without any cash or other forms of consideration. Number 2. Complete stamp duty land tax return. Submit stamp duty land tax return to HMRC either online or paper within 14 days of the property transfer. In the return, claim the relief by explaining the transaction and specify that it qualifies for stamp duty land tax incorporation relief. Number 3. Calculate stamp duty land tax due, while relief reduce the stamp duty land tax payable if the company assume debt or mortgage with a property. Stamp duty land tax may be payable on the debt's value. Number 4. Pay stamp duty land tax. Any stamp duty land tax due must be paid within 14 days of the transaction. Number 5. Professional advice. Due to complexities, especially with the partnership or debt transfer, consult a tax advisor to ensure compliance properly. Following this step will help you successfully claim stamp duty land tax incorporation relief. We have uploaded more than 900 videos in our YouTube channel subject related to UK startup, business and tax.